Hi, you're welcome to GMats class. And let's quickly solve this problem. Now solve 4k plus 7 over 5 plus 3 equals to 4 minus 3k over 2. Now the first thing to do now is to get the LCM of the denominator. Now the LCM of the denominators 5 and 2 is 10. So you multiply each of the term by 10. So let's do that now. So I multiply this by 10. That's 10 times 4k plus 7 over 5 plus 3 times 10, 3 times 10 equals, so you multiply this by 10 as well, times 10, 4 minus 3k over 2. Okay, now, so 5 goes here 1, 5 goes here 2. So we have 2 times 4k plus 7, right? So this is going to give you 30 plus 30 equals to, now 2 goes here 1, 2 goes here 5. So 5 will multiply everything we have there. So 5 times 4 minus 3k. Okay, now we can open the bracket here. So we have 2 times 4k, that's 8k, plus 2 times 7, that's 14, plus 30 equals to 5 times 4, 20, 5 times minus 3k, that's going to give you minus 15k. So from here you collect the like terms. So we have 8k plus 15k equals to 20. Now this moves to this side, the sign changes to minus 30, and this also return to minus 14. Okay, so when you add this and this together, you have 23k. All right, so now this will give you 20 minus, when you join this and this together, you have minus 44. Okay, so we have 23k gives you minus 24. 20 minus 44, that gives you minus 24. So we divide both sides by coefficient of k. So k will be minus 24 over 23. And so the answer will give you minus 1 whole number. The number of 23 you are going to see here is 1. Remainder 1 over 23. So this is going to be the answer to the problem. Thanks for watching.